Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This will be a quick one. I'm hoping I can save you a few bucks if you're trying to break into the tool game and you need to build up your tool collection. A quick way to do it and a cheap way to do it is to check secondhand stores. Now, I didn't get this one from a secondhand store. This is mine. This I bought 20 something years ago, probably close to 30 years ago. This is the Porter Cable 19.2 volt. Let's see, it's a 1/2 inch chuck. It's the model 884. I think they sold them at Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever. This was before Stanley Black & Decker bought them out and gutted what used to be a great tool brand. I don't know if you know much about Porter Cable, but if you were a fan of New Yankee Workshop and This Old House, back in the 90s, they used Porter Cable tools. Norm Abrams, he was a big Porter Cable fan. They were great tools. Then Stanley Black & Decker bought them out, and they're kind of a joke now. They're bottom of the barrel, and Tractor Supply just discontinued them. They booted them out completely, so I don't even know where you can find the new ones. But if you're like me and you go to the secondhand store and you find something like this for $5 or $10, chances are the NiCad batteries that they run on are not going to work. So let me get that off of there. Yeah, it's a 19.2 volt charger. I've tried it. They don't work. So you spend $5, $10, you can't have a battery. If you go and look on Amazon or some of the other battery retailers, they're as much as 90 or $100. You can ship these in to, I think it's MTO is the company, and they'll rebuild the battery pack for you. You could rebuild it yourself if you're handy, if you want to buy NiCad batteries, but then you're stuck with NiCad batteries. Instead, if you really want to, if maybe you've got a Dewalt 20 volt max battery laying around, or maybe you've got some friends that have some old ones that they're getting rid of that still work, you can, if you have access to a 3D printer, they have the files, or you can go on to eBay and buy the adapters. So you can actually buy this adapter for like 20 bucks, and then the battery, and now a formerly dead tool is back to life. Now remember, this battery, if you're just getting in and you want to get into the Dewalt battery system, go ahead and get the adapter, get the cheap tool, use it for now, and then when you can afford to upgrade to the actual Dewalt tool, do that. If you have access to Milwaukee, they make the same adapter plate for the Milwaukee 18 volt. So look at, when you're looking at these used power tools, don't turn your nose up because the batteries are dead. What you need to do is find an adapter to use a viable battery platform, and then you can take a $5 drill like this that you can get at a secondhand store, and for a $20 adapter you have a really, really good drill. Now this is a brush drill. It's not going to compete with, you know, the Dewalt 20 volt max XR brushless. It's not in that category. But if you can't afford to pay $129 or whatever it is for a drill, this is a great option. Little adapter, cost you 20 bucks. If you have a friend with a 3D printer, maybe they can print it off for just a few bucks. It's a great option, something you might want to look into if you're looking to get into the tool game for not a lot of money. So, hope that helps, guys. Be on the lookout for deals like that. Until next time, ramble on.
When that's done, that is over.